this is Lisa from HeARTs, and I'm here today to show you a really neat trick I have learned to clean up the floor of our seamless backdrops. Working with dogs and cats, we get fur, we get footprints, and I'm sure you all, just like I have gone to crazy measures to clean it up. And it's time consuming, especially when we photograph a lot of animals. So I'm going to share a great trick with you today. And we're going to start by taking the background and duplicating that layer. Now what we're going to do is go up to filter, noise, and we're adding median noise. See, it's completely blurred out, and I think that this looks good. 44 pixels. Pretty much can't see any of that dirt. Click OK. So now I'm going to create a layer mask by clicking on this square here, add a layer mask with a circle in it. And then I'm on a Mac, and so I will hit Command I. Those of you on a PC will hit Control I, but by hitting Command and I, I'm inverting that layer mask. And I'm sorry, I'm inverting the layer of median noise. And I'm going to literally be able to paint away the dirt. Now, when I begin, I usually start with a large brush size so I can cover a large amount of surface first. And I start from the edges. I just quickly, you can see it just disappear. Dirt is gone, fur is gone. It's amazing. This was a real life changer for me. And I'm sure, or I hope it is, for you all as well. So now that I've done the majority of the surface area, I want to make the brush a little bit smaller so I can get closer. You don't have to be too crazy because you are, after all, just blurring. So it's not that big of a deal if you go over the fingers, toenails. As I keep doing. I'm going to just quickly show you here by hiding this layer. See all that dirt? We've literally just brushed it away. Some of this, I think, is stuff I'm seeing on my computer screen, which needs a little cleaning. Looks pretty good to me. It's certainly a lot better than it was. There. That looks pretty awesome. Once again, dirty. Voila. I'm going to place a overlay from HeARTs EDU and Publicity resource library, and I like this one. Single and ready to mingle. I'm going to hit Shift and resize it. Holding down Shift, you ensure that it doesn't get all distorted. Voila! One cute little puppy, ready to find her way into the hearts of a very deserving family. single and ready to mingle. Fur is gone. Thank you all for listening, watching, and all that you do to help animals. It's truly appreciated. Take care, everyone. Bye.